How to permanently delete your Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can permanently delete your Facebook account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to permanently delete your Facebook account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Facebook application here. Once you launch the Facebook app, you're basically going to see this type of interface where you have to tap the three lines option here, then tap the gear icon over here. Once you're on settings and privacy, tap on account center. Once you're on account center, go to personal details. Once you're in personal details, go to account ownership and control. As you're on account ownership and control, go to deactivation and deletion. Select the Facebook account that you want to delete. Over here you have two options to deactivate or delete, but since we want to permanently delete it, we're going to select delete account. Just tap the continue option. Select why would you like to deactivate or delete it, tap on continue. All you need to do is just select continue option. Final step, just make sure to enter your password. Now you can just choose to deactivate your Facebook account and only keep Messenger. Otherwise you can just go ahead and then deactivate or delete all of this. Tap on the continue option to do so, and this way you can permanently delete your Facebook account. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.